Hello, my name is Derrick Coston. I'm an instructor for StormWind Studios, and I just want to briefly talk to you about our CISSP, the Certified Information System Security Examination Prep course that we prepared from ISC². And the reason we've made some updates. And what's happened over the past, you don't have to be new, you can watch the news and see all these new things that are still happening out there. Cybersecurity breaches are at an all-time high. Every week we hear about another attack. It may not make the mainstream media, but it's out there. I mean, just recently we saw the attack that occurred on our pipeline. And everybody's wondering, we have all of us as security professionals out here and we're still not solving the problem. Well, what happened is the techniques that we've been doing over the years, and we're not the only ones that are realizing this, that the techniques and solutions that we've done over the past years are not effective. So what ISC² has done over the past 3 or 4 months, and actually probably has taken about a year to actually get through this, is to really make an update to how we actually, from a security professional perspective, address all these new threats and the way that the hackers and the world of security has really evolved. We have had, you almost seem like we're always in a reactionary mode instead of a proactive mode. So what ISC² did just recently is they made the change in their certification exam. So effective on 1 May of 2021, ISC² has come out, and if you come out, you can see that they made a domain refresh. Now, because of this, a lot of things have changed, and even ISC² has come back and saying that the content has been refreshed to reflect the most pertinent issues that we face today as cybersecurity professionals. Again, we don't have to be a rocket scientist to realize that all the different attacks, in fact, Security Boulevard put out some of the top 10 attacks that have hit us, top 10 major attacks. You talk about the Channel 9, you talk about Harris Federation, the CNA Financial, the Florida Water System, the Microsoft mass cyber attack, the airplane manufacturer Bombardier who got hit, the Acer, the computer manufacturer Acer who got compromised, the University of Highlands who got hit, and the Sierra Wireless, and why so many of our friends and relatives are all falling victim more and more to these ransomware type of attacks. So what ISC² did is they made a major refresh in how we actually go out and do our CISSP exam. Now, the only disadvantage that has happened that ISC² has is because they wanted to get this, get us focused on it, but even right now, they don't have the textbooks even available. So what we did here at StormWind Studios is we went back, we worked through the ISC² resources that we had available to us, and we went back and we remodeled our CISSP exam. And not really done to be first to market, but to be able to say, look, you got to make the adjustments. Now, a lot of the material is still available, but you got to know what is it that they're really looking at? What is it ISC² wants us to focus on to make this shift, to make sure that we can go from a reactive to a proactive approach? And by coming into our course we've revised, hopefully we've done all the right steps, that we've aligned ourselves to the new approaches so that we don't need the textbook right now. We still have enough information to help you get through that CISSP exam. So if you have any questions, reach out to us. We'll do our best to help you understand why it's so important to keep evolving as security professionals. And maybe again, we might get it right this time. So hope to see you in one of our CISSP classes soon. If you have any questions, again, reach out. We'd like to hear from you.